Any other non-car friends decide sometimes to pretend to be car savvy? And at least maybe get a video out of it? Teach people out there they can do it too. Once I do this and see how it goes, and then don't post it if it doesn't work out. Alright, step 1. Get your delivery in the mail of the part and get you a kitty in the car. And let's get the instructions back up.
You intend to replace. This vehicle has 3.
So the video says step 1 is to remove wing nuts, of which there are none, so we're gonna go on to step 2 and deal with these things. Okay, the video says to pry up the center part first to unlock it, and then the whole rivet will come out. There's one. Definitely use the keys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ha. What is hiding behind the panel, you may wonder? It's more rivets, which is a word we now all know. Rivets. It's like nuts and bolts, but on a car. I just did that twice now. I want the flashlight, not filming. Thrice! Okay, so there also were not as many rivets as said, but the next step is to gain access to this part. So that's been done. Time to find a wrench. It's not a wrench, but kind of goes with the theme of this repair. I think it will work. That's what we're wanting the car to do, and by we I mean wing nuts removed, kitty back in the trunk. Now we put on both gloves, so I'm not an electrician, nor am I a videographer, because then the camera would be up here to show off my neck as opposed to, that angle. Stop recording. Alright, I lied, there was a third. One of these to take off like way back in the corner, and it was a tricky angle and it was kind of rusted. Feeling the empowerment coursing through me. I'm so close to taking it off. Okay, now the deal with the wiring. Oh my god, it's like big old phone wires. I love when life's easier than you think, because it's like, look, here's the new one. So you just take off this old bit. Okay, but then how do I get it out and feed it through? Because there's this, can you even see, or is this just horrible? This thing here. Oh, baby. Oh, my Lanta. Now just reverse the things and put all the things back on and think about what to do with that. These people clearly put some things there before. I don't know anymore, but I have a taillight almost. I got the wing nuts back on and ready to be tightened, and I plugged the electricity back in. I'm still here. First time for everything. Feeling empowered. Let's make sure it works. Alright, if you've never changed your own car stuff before, I'm here to tell you I'm with you until this experience I just had, and it's doable. Not all of the things, obviously know your own limits and boundaries, and ask friends for help, and look up videos, and blah blah blah. If you... What is the mindful speech for this here? give it a go. There's things that are easier than you think. You probably can do the thing you're telling yourself you can't do. You know, within reason, know your limits. I'm just so happy I have a mosquito and a... Yay! And that is a nice rear-ending dent I get. Oh, I'm not supposed to show my license on the internet. Sorry, Mom. I'll blur you out. Thank you for watching. This happened. Thanks for like the phone cheerleader support. And I'll link the video below that I followed along with actual mechanical instructional advice. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being you.